First step, I'm going to boil the egg. So I have a pot with a 3/4 water. I'm going to add salt, like 1 teaspoon. I'm going to place 5 egg. Make sure the water is cover the eggs. So I'm going to cook this egg for 15 minutes. So you can set timer for 15 minutes. Once 15 minutes done, you can move the egg from the hot water. Hi guys, this is Chef Vadi. Today I'm going to show the interesting recipe egg masala. This egg masala is very flavorful and colorful, very easy and fast to make it. Only couple ingredients to make this egg masala. Let's get started. So the egg boiled already. Here I have 2 medium-sized onion chopped, 2 medium-sized tomato chopped, 2 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 3 pieces cardamom, small stick cinnamon, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 7 pieces cloves, teaspoon fennel seeds, quarter cup chopped cilantro, 1 teaspoon cumin powder. Okay, now we start making the masala. I just turn on the stove. I'm adding 2.5 tablespoon vegetable oil. Oil is hot. Now I'm adding 3 pieces cardamom seeds, small stick of cinnamon, 6 pieces cloves, half teaspoon fennel seeds, all the spices, cardamom, cinnamon stick, cloves and fennel seeds. It give a nice flavor to the masala. That's the reason I have added. Now I'm adding the chopped onion, 2 medium sized onions. So cook this onion until become nice golden brown. Our onion become nice golden brown. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger, 1 teaspoon chopped garlic. If you want, you can use ginger garlic paste. Cook for 1 minute. Now I'm adding spices. Quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder and 2 teaspoon chili powder. Chili is your choice. I'm going to add small amount of water to cook the masala. Cook this masala for 2 minutes. Wow, nice flavor from the spices. Now I am going to add chopped tomato, cook this tomato for 3 minutes. I am adding half teaspoon salt. Now I am going to add 1 cup water, not too much. I am going to make like semi thick gravy. Can cover with the lid and cook for 10 minutes. Our masala is ready. Now I am cutting the boiled egg, cut into half. So I'm going to do everything same. Okay, I cut all the 5 eggs into half. I have heat 1.5 tablespoon oil, pinch of turmeric. Fry these eggs. It gives better taste when you have this egg masala. I have turned, fried both sides. Here you can see how it fried. Right, now I'm removing from the pan. I'm going to do the remain same. Here you can see our fried eggs. Now I am going to mix with the masala. Now I am adding some chopped cilantro. It gives more flavor to the dish. Okay, now time to add the egg. Okay, just mix it gently. You don't want to break the eggs, and make sure that masala flavored with these eggs. This masala is good for 5 people. It's more than enough. I'm going to cook for another 5 minutes so the eggs will absorb the masala. I closed and cooked for 5 minutes. 5 minutes done. You can see our delicious flavorful egg masala ready to serve. Now I am doing the plating. Adding some masala in the bottom. Place the eggs on top. I'm garnishing with chopped cilantro. Our flavorful, colorful egg masala is ready. Here you go. Our flavorful and delicious egg masala is ready. Just boil the egg for 15 minutes and make the masala on the side. In 30 minutes, our egg masala is ready. It goes well with rice, cream rice cake, dosa, roti, bread. Really great dish, easy and fast to make it. If you like this recipe, go ahead and give it a try and let us know how it went in Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Don't forget to subscribe Buddy Vlogs if you are not done already so. I'd like to say a big thank you each and everyone for supporting me. If you like any specific recipe, feel free to comment in the comment box. Definitely I will make it for you. Thank you so much. See you soon in the next video.